I'm back. Need to take a break from programming for a bit. What is this spinning icon? Send? No, I'm not sending myself donations. And then there's that. Gift yourself with... What? Why would I gift gifts to myself? I'll just keep my money instead. Anyway, hello. So, the current problem is still the plane tilting. Still not 100% working correctly. But, we keep trying. Build another helicopter. Start from scratch here. That's a bit right looking. It looks weird on my end. What's it say? Stream settings? Stream help. Excellent. Good. Excellent is good. Helicopter. Not tilting at all. So, input detection. Turn to 0. Let's just manually increase the pitch and see what happens. That's not quite correct. Why does it do that? What am I doing here? Yeah, literally just rotating it. Does it sound okay? Yeah, the music's a bit loud. A smidge quieter. So... I don't know why it's doing that tilting thing again. Let's put it back to this and see what happens. There's no one here. See, I don't get why it's all rotating funny. What the... Let's do something stupid simple. Just to get it at least working. So... yeah, literally just stupid simple. Run. Rotate. -1. I'm gonna do the same. Simple. -1. 1. Oh no, squiggles. So it's relative. All you need to do now naturally pivot down. Right? Why is it not naturally pivoting down. That's weird. Why is it still not doing it correctly? Okay, hold on. Yep. When does this run? Return by the driver. Input detection. Input detection. Yeah, okay, so it's running it all the time actually. And why is the... It doesn't seem to rotate back the way it wants to, or it should. What? Why does it keep adding? It shouldn't keep adding. It's weird. Just something simple like that. I don't get why. Set you to 0. It just keeps going. Why? Why do you keep going? Anyone? All I'm gonna do is manually rotate it. And that's it. Move it up. Move it up. No! Stop doing this! Why must you be broken? Whoa. Okay, hold on. Input detection. Save that for now. Try to actually make this rotate, like, normally. It's a little silly. Something like this. Helicopter. I go. Yep. So then just rotate it. Great. Why? So it tilts and it slowly goes back. But why are the blocks not rotating properly with it? I don't really know. Is its rotation not like... Update vehicle rotation. Fly relative rotation, yes. Strange. The side-to-side works perfectly fine. But then it comes to rotating up and down, and it's not. Weird. Movement's fine. Is collision okay still? Should be. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a... Working with commands is very annoying. Hello, hello. Ocean VR official. I still don't get why it's not... Silliness. I could show you a boat, why not? It might not look good, but I'll show you that it works, at least. Watch, it's gonna break now, but just because I said that. Do like... It's not gonna look good at all. Dang it, I built it the wrong way. Give me a moment. All vehicles have to face this. You don't. Why would you want to become a mod? What's the point? Just have power. Alright, this'll do. For now. If it breaks, it's I don't know. Boat. Come on, work. Why are we sinking? No! Don't sink. Oh, there we go. It's floating back up. It's probably because it's because I built it in the water, I think. Yeah, because... Yeah. This is how it works. Go to the top. Oh, it's a bit in the water. A boat. I forgot I made it so the bottom few blocks stay under the water. But yeah, that's how it's... Hold on. Yeah. And then... Maybe it'll float now more? There we go. I can also make submarines. That's one of the options. Why not? Make a submarine. I'll test building underwater just in case. Need to always be experimenting with my datapacks. Again, I'm not gonna actually make it look like one. I just want to show that it actually functions. Your levers for controlling it. Pretty detailed. The boats or the commands? The commands, yes. My building, also yes. Submarine. Oh, this is gonna have the broken tilting. I mean, I just started stream. Maybe some people will show up eventually, and also I don't consistently stream. So this is a new thing for everyone. Submarine. Is it gonna tilt weirdly? I think it is, because I'm writing the tilting code for whenever you go up and down. Just have your vehicles also tip up and down, but I didn't finish writing it, so it's not gonna... Alright, never mind, I just waffled for no reason. It's working fine. Select. Down you go. Submarine mode for your vehicle. Submarine's probably my favorite. Like you build up so much momentum, then leap out of the sky. Leap out of the water, I mean. I'm doing great. Other than this heat going on right now. Very warm. But tis the summer. And then if you take it on land, it goes real slow because it's not meant to go on land. Splash. Alright, I'm gonna get back to fixing the tilting issue. Not issue, I guess adding the feature of tilting to your vehicles. This will be my helicopter for now. Helicopter. Alright. Now we take off. Oh, I just had the tilting turned off for now. Stop. I keep trying to crouch to fly down, but it's sprint. Because crouching makes you stand up. British summers, yeah. Well, I'm in Ireland, but yeah, we're feeling it over here too. Okay, tilting. So, what it's meant to do is simply, whenever you're, where is it? Input detection over here. So just, yeah, I did turn it off. Whenever you're inputting up or down, if vertical, yeah, that's fine. Inputting up or down with the lever selected, you simply rotate, change the vehicle's pitch, which is your up and down rotations, which it kind of does, but it's like really weird. Hello. Like, it's not meant to look like that. And then like, I don't get why the blocks are rotating so funny. That's the main issue right now. So it adds, change your pitch when you, I thought this is change it to, instead of all my weird maths, add to the pitch 2. Stupid simple. See what that does. Yes, you can access chests if they're in your vehicle. Sure, I need to build a new helicopter anyway, because this one's all broken. I'll show you. Grab a chest. New helicopter. Driver's seat. Storage in the back. Like that. And then my levers. Yeah, I'll put these in here. I'll convert it now. Helicopter. I swear if this breaks because I'm showing someone. Where did the seat go? Oh, what? Oh, I just didn't. Okay, never mind. I just messed up selecting. Select that corner, that corner. I need my levers back. Alright, take 2. Helicopter. Look, you can see the trick here. It puts a chest minecart. And look, the items are still there from earlier. And then you just put items in. And then once you convert it back, it places the chest back with the items in it again. It's not possible to make minecarts invisible without a resource pack. And I'm trying to get rid of the resource pack in this, just to keep it as simple as possible, really. But yeah, you can use chests for storage. It's not visually the prettiest, but it works. Double chests. I might turn it into 2 chests. Alright, I'll try again. I'll try a double chest because I'm actually not entirely sure. I don't remember. I implemented the chest thing a while ago. What about shulkers and double chest? What are questions? Shulkers. I don't think shulkers. Did I forget to make shulkers work? Left lever, right lever. Invert. Oh, it does work. Aha. I don't think. Yeah, it's each. You access each individual side because you can't have a double minecart chest. But yeah, still interactable. Thumbs up. Okay, so back to the tilting problem. Oh yeah, this would be removed too, not add minus two. Oh. No, we didn't tilt. Why not? Oh, because this is too small of a value, I think. Ooh. We're doing something. Alrighty. Little odd. Oh. What's that? So we're somewhat tilting, but we're not... Oh god, it's breaking like crazy. Down. Back to 11. Oh god. It's a little broken. Yeah, it's gonna be laggy on servers, but that's... I mean, actually, might not be too bad. Let me see. How many entities does it actually create? Does it also display entities? Which, you know, they're easier for servers to run than any other entity, just because it's just a model and that's it. There's no logic to it, but the logic I add myself might be a bit laggy. Alright, let's convert this. This is 5 by 5 blocks. If I run a kill... 72. That is kind of a lot. I think that's just... You just kind of have to deal with that with making datapacks. Or at least trying to make a datapack like this. Where it's just such weird technology. Yeah, your free Minecraft servers aren't gonna host this. Okay. Why is it doing that? We're like wiggling weirdly. Yeah, so you input your things and then... Just manually increase... And then we wiggle for some reason. Why are the blocks rotating so weirdly? Oh, it's because it's applying... Figured it out. So... Go in here. Do this. We need this. We need the line that updates their rotation, of course. That's how coding works. Right? Okay, hold on. Maybe I need to build a new one. Build a new helicopter from scratch. This would actually make it look somewhat like a helicopter, at least. Not just a platform. Just... Yeah, helicopter. Oh god, help. This is a helicopter, by the way. In case you couldn't tell. This is why I stick to commands and datapacks. It's fine, it works. I just need to make sure this works. Functionality-wise. Helicopter. Okay. Why is it? So the block... That's weird. So this isn't the problem here. I need it to... They need to work. I think I might just leave that for now. Because I don't want to be stuck on this all stream. Yeah. Return to that for later. No turning up or down. Why is it still rotating? I know. I always leave the grass, and I could so easily make it so grass doesn't become a part of your build, but it's kind of funny. Right, let me make sure it's actually still just not gonna tilt. Okay, great. It just moves as it should. Let's do something else. Not all blocks convert in time. Yeah, that's another bug I'm having. Or just sometimes whenever you hit convert, not all of it comes. So let's change the current objective. Fix not all blocks converting to a vehicle. So, I think I already know how I'm gonna solve this. I think? Oh, it might actually be trickier than I think. Close all that. So, here you go, convert area. So this is the command that runs whenever you press convert on the stick. And the big problem with this one is it's hard to time it correctly, because how it works to convert all your blocks is that it manually places command blocks that automatically run, and the time it takes to do all that can vary. So I need a way to check if every single command block has done their command before calculating other stuff like gravity and collision and stuff like that. I forget about liquid blocks and unbreakable blocks. Liquids I did. Unbreakable I did not consider. I guess, yeah, you could make like a hole in the bedrock floor easily. Just hit convert on bedrock and then fly it downwards or something. And again, also kind of funny. No, I'll fix... Where's the... Is it in here? Yeah, here. All I do is to make it not convert is add it here. Gotta go here. Oh, I guess I don't have lava. And then like bedrock. And now those won't convert. Simple. I think, hopefully. I think they get destroyed. Well, no. Do they get I think they're left alone. Let's test. Let's make another platform. Do a mix. Don't even need the rest of it. R. Oh. That's not quite right. Oh, no, I'm just being stupid. That's the completely wrong section of code. Oops. Here is where I meant to do it. So I go like lava, bedrock, and portal frame. And now it won't convert. That was to make it so it didn't have collision. And then I do like bedrock, some lava, why not? Alright, try reload. Now I hit convert. It deletes it. That is not correct. You shouldn't delete it. You should just ignore it. That's a thing for later. Yeah, I'll just add barrier block real quick. I guess deleting it is at least better than having flyable bedrock. So, what did I say? Converting in time. So... It'd be something simple like each... When converting, be like, okay, there's this many blocks in this area. Wait until that many display entities exist. And then boom. That's how it should work. Because currently as a scheduled function, which is, I knew it wasn't gonna last as a method. So let's see. Okay, fill this area. This is the size. The XYZ for one corner, XYZ for the other corner. You just done like this. They convert okay as well. 2-block door, like the chest. It just, all it's doing is copying the state of the block. And the state of like the top half of a door says it's the top half, and the bottom says it's the bottom half. So they convert okay. You can't interact with them, but they do convert perfectly fine. I'm not going for perfection with this data pack. I just want it to work enough. So I would do something like store thumbs up. Store the results in, I don't know, storage for now. I guess that will do. In the convert, what's in convert right now? Just so storage in convert. What's in convert? Oh, the positions. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And so in convert, I will then do add like block count. Yeah. And then just add that here. So then it will do the normal fill command of all the command blocks to convert every block. But then it also take the count of how big that is. So then, as each command block, it should add to like a scoreboard. It would be a scoreboard. Just add a new one. Scoreboard objectives. Add movable block. Convert block count? Yeah. Convert block count. What's the current thumbnail of the stream? I actually didn't set one, did I? Just go to my channel real quick. don't even know what my stream looks like. Yeah, it's just an auto thumbnail. Yeah, that's fine. So, we have that. So then it would be... yeah, reset. Oh no, I don't need a new scoreboard. No, I'll use a new one. Scoreboard, player, reset. Just so it clears for the first, whenever you first use it, so it doesn't keep track of how many blocks there were before. Watching, kind of. It's fine. I just hit live because like I'm gonna be doing this right now no matter what, so I might as well hit the go live button. Block count. Then it would be like you run the convert thing, and then scoreboard players add a key. This is ran as the player. This is ran as a command block. Q&A, live Q&A. Why not? Convert. I'll just leave it as FP just for now. Then each one will add 1 to the score. So then, scoreboard. Convert block. If the convert block value is then equal to the count. How would you do that? This needs to be in a scoreboard. Target, and then amount. Not in a storage, but in a scoreboard. Never autofills correctly with the squiggly lines. Score. Target. For block count. Yeah, that should work. And then add this to amount. And then, I mean, I feel like this is almost done fixing this bug. If this works first try, that is. I feel like this music needs changed. I'll go back to my playlist I had before. Everything just has the same hitbox size. The hitbox works by using an invisible shulker. Happy Nintendo music. What was the one I had before? There's one I had before. On the homepage. Here it is. This playlist is better, I think. It's quite quiet. No, the volume's okay. I'm gonna convert. So it adds, and then... When does it run the rest? Oh, I deleted that line already. It's good old squares. What was that line before? Wait for convert. Yeah. So... guess in tick then it should do that. When should it check? You click. I guess it in tick now, so it's always checking. Execute if score for target equals the amount, not convert area, but wait for convert. Then the problem with that is it's always gonna be run true, even if it's like there's none, because there'd be no blocks and then none converted. So it would be like, yep, ready. That's not true. So how should it go? And I'll leave that. I'll just turn that into a comment for now, just in case I change my mind. Actually, upload the thumbnail here. Edit. I made a thumbnail earlier, but I thought it might have been better to have the autofill one. But I'll put on the custom. Why not save? Maybe they got more people interested in joining. Okay. So here it should tag. It should say scoreboard player set check for all blocks converted. And then I just have a scoreboard for storing numbers. Set that to 1. And then in the tick, if this scoreboard is 1, what is it looking for? Oh, no, it'd be you. If it is, it matches 1, check for the rest. And then whenever it runs it, set it to 0. There's nothing. That's fine. Scoreboard player set 0. Player set. That should do it, no? Let's see. Double check. Convert count. Put that on the side for now, just to see. Try a simple 3x3. So it should say 9 if it works correctly. Hard 9. It's not running the rest. Look away, not to cause Caesars. Project set display. Did it actually all blocks converted correct? Target amount. It's hard to say the target amount. Where's the target? Does this logic even work? Maybe I'm just wrong about how this command works. Fill 3x3 area. 3x3 by 3 bit stone. 64 blocks. to not actually do it? What? Oh, oops. I did it in... Okay. 64. Oh, what? Vehicle block count. No, not vehicle block count. This one. There. That's okay. I wrote the wrong scoreboard. Double check. Good for all blocks. Tick. Okay, try that again then. Hopefully that means it will actually make a vehicle with all the blocks flawlessly every time. For submarines, it has to be fully... The submarine... I've thought about that. It sounds too hard. Oh. Hey! It worked. It converted it all. So let's try and lag. Let's try to do something big that normally would have not converted all because it would have took too long. Stone. 3,700 blocks. Yeah. Doesn't sound like a problem to me. There's no such thing, my friend. Give it a moment. Give it a moment. Please work. Are we doing something? Yep. Okay. It's doing something. I typed in chat and it didn't go through. Oh boy. What's happening? Oh! Oh! That's not quite correct. Oh no, maybe this is not finished. It's not finished. Yes, it's not finished. Okay, hold on. Give it another moment. Very laggy, but I'm trying to convert a whole block to see how bad the lag will be. I'm gonna look away, not to... It's flickering. If you're talking about like a limit of how many blocks to select, none. If you're talking about what if you go to build a limit, you can just keep going. You can just fly above build limit. Are we actually doing something? Oh. Hello. Okay, apparently it's doing something, so I will wait. Oh. Okay. It all converted. They all said convert. Still flickering. Is it growing? What's happening? It's slowly... Is it growing? Why is it... What? Oh. Oh no, no. It's not growing. These are the real blocks. The real blocks didn't get broken. Oh god. Ta-da! Half of this is entities, half of this is blocks. Oof. Physics engine. Like, I basically just made a physics engine. Let's teleport it upwards and to see how it falls. Oh god, it does not like it. It's going. Yeah, I ain't gonna kill it. Die. Give it a moment. But hey, at least the delaying part now works. I love 10 frames a second. Die already. Uh-oh, he doesn't want to die. There we go. Cool, 7,500 entities. Simple. So why did this not clear though? It should have cleared. Is it here? No, it's not. Where's the command blocks? Yeah. Convert. What places the remove blocks. We use the same coordinates to put air. Let's make sure it actually does clear for like normal size ones. Get in. I'll actually give it an edge. Seat, light, lever. Car. Yeah, it does. That's interesting. I guess this is so big and so laggy, didn't want to properly convert. Or at least probably get rid of the blocks. Okay, I'll add that to my list of things to do. Alright, fine. Okay. Yeah. Set a sidebar. Clear it. So if we need to make items now, like proper items instead of just these command blocks. Because you can't use command blocks in survival mode. Yes. How long have I been streaming for? You are. Tell your friends. I don't know. I don't care. New current objective is to add proper items to place, share, and levers. Current problem. Not all blocks. Not all real blocks clear when converting. Okay. See, that's the thing though. I have these seats. I have seat, levers, but you currently place them by just placing it down a command block, which in survival mode does not work. So I need to actually make items for these. But I also said earlier I want to get rid of the resource pack just to keep it simple. So I'm not sure what I want to do then. Do I just make like a a new lever out of existing block display entities? Like, hold on, how do you do it in X? You just go create display entity, item. I could do like, I don't know, stick. Fine. So here is show display markers. So I could literally just make the lever like this instead. Stick it in the ground or something, and then it moves like this instead of being this custom model I made. It won't look as good, but unless I like get like white concrete and then I like stretch it. That could work. Create display entity. Like white concrete, yeah, like I said. So then you would like, you do something like this. You make a lever without needing a resource pack. Okay, do that. I think I'm happy with how the current lever looks, so I might literally just copy it. 0.5. Yeah. Oh, but then animating it's gonna be weird. How do I animate it? Because it's gonna be multiple entities on top of each other. Tricky part. I'm not sure. Let's just continue this for now. Now we're just remaking the lever with display entities. Yeah, and then like a black concrete, I guess. Black concrete. I think it makes sense to try and get rid of the resource pack just to keep it more simple. Like you could literally just join a Minecraft world with your friend and then, hey, I have cars. And they don't have to download anything at all. 0.1 each scale, I guess. This also does mean if you have a resource pack that changes these textures, is gonna look different. Which I think is fine. 1.5. What size is it? Oh, they doesn't have to be identical. Yeah. And then just make like a base for it. So like a slab of some kind. Smooth stone. A slab? I think a slab might be the play. What other? It kind of looks like that. Polished blackstone slab. Let's try that. Polished blackstone slab. And then scale you down. Ta-da! New and improved, they say. 0.5? Yeah, it doesn't look as good. But it'll get rid of the resource pack at least. Which I think is a worth. Is that worth doing? Stone shovel. Yeah, but it's not like 3-dimensional though. Guess you don't have the texture pack. No, I'm just getting rid of the texture pack completely for this. Like I don't want this custom share and levers anymore. I just want to make it look like just normal Minecraft. Then you get in and then wow, you're driving a vehicle now. So what if I do this? 0.4. 0.4. Yeah, that seems to be what the original was. Duplicate. Scooch it up. 0.3s. Not quite. It doesn't really have to look identical to how it looked before. Just look decent. Yeah, that's decent. No. Yeah? No. The stick should be wider. Does look a little strange. Are you the stick? Yeah. Point. I don't know, 7? Yeah, that's not bad. I don't think. Yeah, I think that's it. That's how I want it to look. So then how do I actually make it so you place it down without a resource pack? I would give the player like a... How do you do that? It's like you can give an item, armor stand. I want it to be an entity. Then I can just run like some function on it, run a command. It's like something like item. I don't know, item model. And then you can just change it to like Minecraft stick. And I have an armor stand that looks like a stick. Yeah, that's how I'll do it. So it'll be like a regular lever, I guess. And then you place it, and then it places. Can you make it place a custom armor stand, or does it can only place a normal armor stand? Let's see. Minecraft. Block state, block state? Custom data, no. Mob variant. Can I do mob variants? I might be able to do that. I give you like a spawn egg. It spawns a special variant of it. No, because variants are resource packs. It's a bit of both, I think, but I'm trying to think of the cleanest way of doing this. It would be... Oh, I don't know. Summon an armor stand. Surely you can do custom data. Custom data, and then can't you do like is small? I don't know if that's how that works with give item though. No. But you can do like summon armor stand is small. And you make it small. Is baby. Can you summon a baby armor stand? Minecraft wiki. Put up the wiki. See, like armor stand. You can definitely summon it with like baby mode. Show arms 1. Give me the list of all the tags, please. Invisible, no base plate, position, small, just small. Never mind, I'm a bit silly. Small. Hey! Let me see then. And I do this to give me no. It's only the special info in the item. I guess it doesn't convert when being placed. Surely there is a way to do that though. To give yourself an item. Like a spawn egg. Spawns. Could I literally use a spawn egg to spawn a display entity? Is that a thing? It might be a thing. What do you call it? Misode. No, not miso. Minecraft custom spawn egg generator. Yeah? Go away, dancing guy. No, not you. I think this works, no? See if I can input display and no, I'll use miso. Miso better. Miso goat. Maybe it doesn't have give. What's the thing called? Maybe Minecraft stuff. MC Stacker. MC Stacker. That's it. Yeah. So, hello for people who just joined. I'm currently trying to make it so my data pack for converting blocks into vehicles doesn't require a resource pack anymore. Because what you currently have to do if you want to make a vehicle, I'll just show real quick. You just place all your blocks down. Like so. And then you'd have to use these command blocks to summon custom models in a resource pack. But that's the only thing the resource pack is needed for. You just hit convert. So I'm trying to remake the chairs and levers just for... Hello. Thank you. I'm just trying to make it so you don't need the actual models. You can just use like display entities to just build a chair instead. So then you can like join like a friend server or something without needing to download a resource pack to actually use my creation. So I've made one here out of existing blocks as just display entities. So now I'm trying to figure out a way to just give the player an item that works in survival mode, because you can't use these command blocks. You can't place command blocks in survival mode. And now I'm trying to figure out a way of doing that. And I'm thinking, could I give a custom spawn egg Egg, spawn egg, spawn egg. Egg? What does such give spawn egg? Not, how does that work? Spawn egg? Oh, it's not like it used to be. Oh. Can you not give special spawn eggs anymore? That's a shame. Surely you can do it. Minecraft. Spawn egg generator. This surely is a thing, right? Mob. Armor stand, sure. Small? Oh, spawn egg. I want a spawn egg. Zombie spawn egg. Entity data. Interesting. Let's see if that works. So... Cool. Then I can just change this ID to like block display. How did it work earlier? Obviously that's gonna be invisible. Show arm, show. Okay. Interesting. It would be okay. I think I'm getting there. So I need to copy the info from here. Display. Copy transform. The data merge. That's fine. Copy all of this. I have to put this in a command to give it to myself now. But hopefully this works. Oh, I broke it. Nope. Oh, it was you I moved. So hopefully... yeah, put that in there. This? At the start. A comma. And then... maybe? Hopefully. No. Almost, maybe. Summon command? It's there. Block state. No, I didn't copy block state. Add block state in there somewhere. And then maybe that will work. I hope so. Put it near the start. Block state. Stone. See if it works. I got a button because I'm going to be activating this a bunch. Why are my frames dying? Boom! Alright, not bad. Not bad at all. I didn't copy the info correctly. Copy transform. Oh, that is a slight problem. It copies rotation too, doesn't it? Ah. Oh, it's not. It does random rotation. Okay. Getting there, maybe? Not entirely sure. I have a life for. Just over an hour. I might just pick this up another time, I'm gonna be honest. I might just end stream. That's fine, there's one person here, if you're still even here. I'll probably be live tomorrow. I'll just continue this. Yeah. I'm gonna end. Can't end it from here, can I? No. Alright, well... Bye!